Hi, my name is Craig Campbell. I'm the Executive Director of the Oregon Manufacturing Innovation Center for Research and Development. Wanting to welcome you to Manufacturing Day. Now, because of COVID, we're not able to be face-to-face and in person, but you're going to have an opportunity to learn some new things and hopefully see what the benefit might be of you pursuing a career in manufacturing. Manufacturing needs your help, your creativity, your skills, and in turn, it will provide you with a rewarding job that pays well and gives you good benefits. So as you're pursuing your CTE instruction over the rest of the year, make sure you try and learn as much as you can so that when you have an opportunity, you can move into the marketplace with skills that manufacturers are going to need. So enjoy Manufacturing Day. Hopefully you'll learn a lot, and we'll see you soon.